Known for its calm environment, rolling hills, rich culture and fast-rising modern infrastructure, Enugu has become a hotspot for investors and families looking for class, comfort and long-term value. Today we are diving into one of Nigeria's fastest growing real estate destinations. In this video we highlight the top 5 biggest, most planned and fastest developing estates in Enugu. Estates that are redefining what modern living looks like in Southeast. If you are considering buying or investing in property, then stay glued because one of these might be your next big move. Number 1 on the list is Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City, popularly known as Centenary City. This is arguably the most ambitious and luxurious real estate development in the entire Southeast Nigeria. Centenary City is a master-planned mega estate inspired by global lifestyle cities. It features a world-class 18-hole golf course, a well-defined residential district, first-class road network, dedicated garden belt and recreational zones, business districts, a sports and entertainment complex, and advanced security system. One thing that makes Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City stand out is its scale. It is massive. This isn't just an estate, it is a modern city within a city. The serene environment, the tasteful landscaping, and the steady development pace make it perfect for investors who want premium value. If you are thinking luxury, lifestyle and long-term appreciation, Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City should be at the top of your list. Second on the list is the fast-rising Helu Estate, one of Enugu's most talked about modern estates. Helu Estate is designed with a blend of nature and contemporary architecture, offering one of the neatest and greenest layouts in the city. This estate is strategically positioned with close access to major roads. It features detailed estate planning, underground drainage, paved internal roads, recreational parks, perimeter fencing and 24-hour security. What makes Helu Estate especially attractive for investors is how quickly it has grown. Plots appreciate very fast because of the quality of development and the increasing demand for organized living space in Enugu. If you want an estate that is beautifully planned, secure and rapidly developing, Helu Estate is a solid choice for you. At number 3 is Diamond City Estate, Iva Valley, an emerging gem located within one of Enugu's most naturally beautiful landscapes. Surrounded by lush hills and peaceful vegetation, Diamond City Estate offers a perfect mix of tranquility and accessibility. The estate is known for its stunning natural scenery, good road access, well-structured plots, growing residential development, and a peaceful environment ideal for families. Diamond City Estate is particularly popular for buyers looking for affordable yet high-valued property with strong future appreciation. Its proximity to key parts of Enugu, combined with the calmness of Eva Valley, makes it one of the most appealing developing estates in the city of Enugu. At number 4 is Gulf Estate Annex. Located in Transekulu, one of Enugu's most established and prestigious neighborhoods. Gulf Estate Annex extends the elegance and class of original Gulf Estate. It offers a well-tarred road, a clean organized layout, excellent drainage system, reliable security, fast-rising residential building, and easy access to major areas like Ababa and GRA. Gulf Estate Annex is especially attractive for upper middle class families and investors who want a location that is already developed, calm, and secure. The Gulf Annex maintains the high standard that Transekulu is known for, but with more space, modern planning, and stronger growth potential. If you are looking for a place to invest in Enugu, Gulf Estate Annex is a place you should consider. Finally, at number 5 is Coal City Eastern Alliance Estate, a fast-developing estate backed by strong planning and a clear vision for modern urban living. This estate is gaining attention for its impressive layout and infrastructure. The estate features wide roads, smart development zoning, green recreational areas, good security structure, proximity to schools, transport routes, and commercial areas. Coal City Eastern Alliance Estate is ideal for investors looking for early-stage opportunities. Buying now while development is still ongoing ensures maximum return when the estate fully matures. This estate is shaping up to become one of Enugu's most organized modern residential districts. Enugu is rising fast. From luxury lifestyle estates to emerging residential hubs, the city is attracting investors from within Nigeria and beyond. These 5 estates, Enugu Lifestyle and Gulf City, Helu Estate, Diamond Estate, Gulf Estate Annex, and Coal City Eastern Alliance Estate represent some of the best developing estates that Enugu has to offer. Whether you are looking for a place to live, a long-term investment, or a location to build your dream home, Enugu's real estate market is full of promise. If you enjoyed this breakdown or want more estate reviews, guide and property insights, make sure to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.